Rmdir is a command which will remove an empty directory on a Unix, Unix-like, DOS, OS/2 or Microsoft Windows operating system. Usage: normal usage is straightforward. Where name of directory corresponds with the name of the directory one wishes to delete. There are options to this command such as p in Unix, which removes parent directories if they are also empty. For example, will first remove // then // and finally foo/, thus removing the entire directory tree specified in the command argument. Rmdir will not remove a directory if it is not empty in Unix. The correct way to remove a directory and all its contents recursively is with the rm command. For example, the DOS equivalent of this command is deltree, or in Microsoft Windows, NT functionality. Windows based on the NT kernel are case-insensitive, just like their earlier predecessors, unless two files of the same name and different case exist. Then case sensitivity applies when selecting which file to use, or if the case does not match either file, one may be chosen by Windows. Having two files named the same with different case sensitivity is allowed either when Windows Services for Unix is installed or when the registry settings are set to allow it. An example of the security risk is, using Rmdir and two directories with the same name and different case sensitivities exist, one of which contains valid data and/or programs, and the other contains incriminating materials and/or malware. If Rmdir gets executed without regard to case sensitivity and Windows chooses the legitimate folder to delete, the only folder left is the undesired one. Windows then uses this folder instead of the previously legitimate one to execute programs, and one may be led to believe it contains legitimate data. See also, List of Unix programs, List of DOS commands. References: Rmdir Euro Commands and Utilities Reference, the Single Unix Registered Trademark Specification, Issue 7 from the Open Group, Microsoft TechNet Rmdir article.